Hey guys, today we're taking a look at COOFANDY's full zip-up cardigan. So we're going to go ahead and see if it's true to size, or see if you guys need to upgrade your size or lower your size. All right. Don't do that at home. All right, so normally I would wear a shirt underneath. I actually might for this one. So depending on the style, some styles, you can wear a shirt underneath a sweater. This one is a fully zippered style, so I think we're going to, well, you know what, let's just see how it fits without a shirt on. Again, sometimes I'll wear a shirt underneath a sweater, sometimes I won't. It all depends on the occasion. All right, so you can adjust the collar on there. Okay. Actually, doesn't look bad. Get some chest hair going on there. What's up? Hello. It's fairly tight. Now, I'm 5'9", 197 pounds. I think if you're 190 to 192 pounds and you're around 5'9", it definitely would fit you way better. I think for me, we are working on losing some weight, so once we shed, I would say 3-4 more pounds, it's definitely going to fit much better. If I had a shirt on underneath it, it definitely would stretch it out more. But it does fit nice. I like it. I like the fit. And you can actually, if you put it up the whole way, it goes up half of your neck, covers most of your neck actually. So it's nice. I think what I would do with this, for this particular sweater, is I think I would wear like a black muscle shirt underneath. So then if I had it down, because a black tight muscle shirt would be tight enough when you're skinning it that it's not going to push it out too much too far. So that's an option. It's definitely nice though. I like this. This is nice. Yeah.